think this is gonna be more difficult than I was expecting. That's okay. I'll be all right. Here we go. I'm gonna push and hold it. You ready? Got it? That. This goes to the tank, to this tank, which goes into the filler hose. So this thing's pretty cool. You can actually put multiple lines through this thing for multiple tanks. I didn't know it when I was buying it. I think we got it. All right, thanks for watching. So what I'm gonna do now is just I'm gonna slide the tank in. So I can't shut that off. I think what I'll do is just turn it sideways a little bit, and that should be okay. But this thing is big. But I'm gonna go under. I'm gonna measure. I'm just gonna make sure nothing's directly below it. And then if everything's clear, go ahead and drill down. Here we go. All right, Joseph, so you're gonna hold it on the top. Once we put the bolt, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these bolts in. Hey, put it on there. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push and hold it. You ready? Got it? Whew, missed it. All right, grab me a bolt.
Ready? Ready, Dad?
Yeah, push it down through there. Good?
Yep. I wasn't helping, I wasn't turning it, I was just holding the bolt.
You were just holding it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. Whew. All right, so it's ready, finally. This was a little bit bigger project than I was expecting. I think it's a sleeve, and then I'm gonna put it, the goal is to put an inline, not sure if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna put an inline filter. All right, so here it is. So this thing's pretty cool. You can actually put multiple lines through this thing for multiple tanks. I didn't know it when I was buying it. I mean, a good old Amazon. Here's the fuel filter, S3213. It said it can process 15 gallons per hour. I don't really know what that means, but it's for marine. So this is a marine thing. It was pretty, I don't know how efficient it is, how good it is. We'll see how it works, but it's gonna go up like that. This goes to the tank, and then this one goes to this tank, which goes into the filler hose. So I'm gonna install that into what I have already, my other valve, and then this will go into here, which will So that's good. Got that. Now the hard part, which is cutting it all in. It's gonna be close. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. That's good. Good clamp there. Stop leaking there. All right. I think we got it. All right. Thanks for watching.